Mervin Manufacturing is the leading designer and manufacturer of snowboarding and skateboarding products built in the USA by people who ride them. Mervin produces snowboards, bindings, skis, and skateboards under the brands Lib Technologies, GNU, and Roxy. Mervin Manufacturing was founded by snowboarders Mike Olson and Pete Sari in 1977. In an industry where virtually every other snowboard company has moved production to China or offshore, Mervin is the longest running and last major snowboard manufacturer in the USA. Since the beginning, Mervin has been managed and staffed by snowboarders who innovate and experiment, ride and refine new shapes and styles on a daily basis. To ensure everyone gets plenty of days on the mountain every year, all Mervin employees get money towards a season pass and a custom snowboard of their own design. Innovation and efficiency are the heart of Mervin's staying power. Mervin buys directly from suppliers, eliminating the middleman. Mervin has always been a very environmentally aware snowboard company. Nearly Canadian snowboard craftsmen need healthy work environments so they can achieve maximum shred. We use only renewable forest products for our cores. Fast-growing trees have long fibers and natural pop. Wood is nature's fiberglass. The Mervin Wood Shop is vital to the control of product quality as well as creating flexibility for innovation. Our wood sawdust is recycled as a soil additive, and we donate our scrap wood to a local Mood Wood company that packages it as kindling and resells it. Mervin makes its own damn cores. Using the best of the finest wood. Paulownia is the new timber of the 21st century. Extremely fast-growing, lightweight, strong, stable, and temperature-resistant super trees. Mutant trees are cultivated to blend the best properties of bamboo, aspen, and balsa to provide unbelievable pop. On top of its in-house experimental division design team, Mervin works on product design with many of the world's top snowboarders, including Jamie Lynn, Danny Cass, Travis Rice, Eric Jackson, Mark Landvik. Mervin fabricates its own tooling and presses. A new flex design, graphic, or geometry is always quickly actualized and tested. LibTech has made a commitment to using a new earth-friendly, non-petroleum-based bioplastic top skin made from beans that features the highest strength-to-weight ratio of any top sheet in the industry. This new age of bioplastics offers hope of a more peaceful and fruity future. Our basalt fiber is additive-free and less toxic than conventional fiberglass. Golden Fleece is volcanic organic basalt. Vectran liquid crystal polymer was developed as the fiber foundation for interplanetary Mars landing tires. It has 10 times the strength of titanium. We don't use any cancer-causing toxic automotive lacquer clear coats. We use soy-based elastomer sidewalls instead of toxic ABS. We use only low VOC, volatile organic compound, epoxy resin systems. Our resin doesn't stink or make you dizzy. We recycle all our scrap plastics from base cutouts, which are then used to make new materials, keeping over 7 tons of plastic out of the landfill per month. We use water-cleansed grinding systems to minimize airborne particulate levels. The latest innovations to come out of Mervin Manufacturing are Magnetraction, Banana Technology, and C2 Power Banana. Magnetraction makes snowboards work better, easier to ride, and opens new levels of high-end performance. Magnetraction turns ice into powder. Join us on a journey out of the dark Cambrian period into the new age of fruity enlightenment. Help us defeat the oppressive, stagnant French ski lords. Reap the benefits and pleasures of glorious snowboard designs, uncluttered with swoosh booth myths and harpoon dogma. Easier, more fun, all boards for one, and one board for all. The future is bananas.